Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, November 26th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, today's kind of like a Friday because you have 3 days off after today. So you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for Thanksgiving holiday. So I hope everyone has a safe holiday, and we'll see you all back then December 2nd, next Monday, to kick off our December month. And you know what that means? It's a little bit closer to Christmas break and to Christmas then. So we're all looking forward to having you back. We hope you have a great time with your families over Thanksgiving. For our lunch choices today, we have beefy mac with Cheez-Its, chicken sandwich or Italian sandwich. And today, our last day of giving thanks are brought to us by Mrs. Lake's second grade students.
All right, boys and girls, today is our last day of giving thanks to different things and members of our family or people. So what we have today is our second grade students from Mrs. Lake's Place. They're going to tell about what things they are thankful for.
Anime, because it entertains me. My pets, because they keep me company. My brother.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank you very much for those things for giving thanks, and thank you, Pierce, for helping out your friends there who had short-term memory loss there of what they need to remember, but thank you very much for helping out your friends, so that's much appreciated. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. All right, at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a wonderful day and have a great holiday. We'll see you all back next week when it's December on December 2nd. Have a wonderful day.